Hello, today we'll learn how to edit videos using a smartphone. So if you want to learn how to do this or even this, then you're in the right place. The Canva app from the Google Play Store. Canva app from the Google Play Store. When you download and install it, to open a fresh page, then you go to the far right. It has an option of doing so many things, but to edit a video, you go to the far right and click on the plus sign. When you click on it, it will say choose a size. There are different sizes to choose from, but I prefer to use presentation, this one. So when you click on it, you have a blank presentation to start working with. So what you do is you click on it to add what you want to add, and we are adding a video. So the video you want to edit is already on your phone. You just click on the particular video. Hello. When you click on the video, you also click to add something to the video, a text, a picture, an icon, whatever it is. You click again on the plus sign. So if you want to add a text, you just click on text. If you want to add an image, if you want to add an illustration, a sticker. For instance, I want to add a phone to the video. I'll click on illustration. There are different shapes. I click on a frame to bring out different things. Then when you click on it, you have it. Okay. But to enable it to move, you can go to the next slide. And Canva enables you to trim. You can trim the video. Hello. Edit. So if this is where you want to add your image or whatsoever, you trim the video to that part. You add what you want to add. If you're adding a text, you add it to it. You can make it bigger. You can choose any type of text, make it bigger, and that is it. When you're done with this slide, go to the next slide. You trim it also, and you add what you want to add to it. So for this, I would like to add a sticker. So you can just choose to add this to it. Yes. When you're done, you click on the play at the far end, at the top of the app, the far end, there's a play icon there. When you click on it, it will load for some time. So this means it's adding all the slides that you have prepared together. When it's done, you choose how you want the slides, the icons to come up. Do you want it as a block? Do you want it to slide in or fade out? When you are done, you click on download and it downloads your work automatically. So it's that simple. If you want to start, click on the plus icon, choose any style or any size. I always prefer presentation. Then you click on the blank space for the video, and from then you can add anything you want to add to. You can add logos and so on.